How to use AI to write blog posts in minutes. AI-powered content, writing tips. Struggling to write blog posts? Spending hours staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with the perfect words? What if I told you that you could create high-quality blog posts in minutes using AI? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write engaging, SEO-friendly blog posts quickly and efficiently. Plus, I'll share my favorite AI writing tools that will make your content creation process 10x faster. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to use AI to optimize your blog for better rankings on Google. Let's dive in. The struggle of writing blog posts manually. We all know that writing blog posts takes time. You need to research, outline, write, edit, and optimize for SEO. And let's be honest, sometimes writer's block just hits hard. But guess what? AI can take care of 80% of this process for you. Let me show you exactly how AI can transform your content creation from slow and frustrating to fast and effortless. How AI can write blog posts in minutes. Step 1. Choose your topic and keywords. First things first, pick your blog topic. AI tools like SurferSEO, Phrase, and ChatGPT can help you find trending topics and high-ranking keywords in your niche. Step 2. Generate an outline with AI. Instead of manually brainstorming your structure, AI tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai can generate a solid blog post outline for you in seconds. Step 3. Let AI write your blog post. Now here's where the magic happens. AI writing tools can generate full blog posts based on your outline. You can customize the tone, length, and style to match your brand's voice. Step 4. Edit and personalize your content. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. You still want to add your personal touch, tweak the flow, and inject your unique perspective to make the content truly yours. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. Finally, tools like SurferSEO and ClearScope can analyze your blog and suggest SEO improvements so your post has a better chance of ranking on Google. My top 3 AI writing tools you need today. Number 1. Jasper AI, the ultimate AI writer. Jasper AI can generate entire blog posts, headlines, and even marketing copy. Plus, it's one of the best AI tools for storytelling and long-form content. 2. Copy.ai for quick and engaging content. If you need short-form engaging blog content or social media captions, Copy.ai is a must-have. It helps generate high-quality content in just a few clicks. 3. SurferSEO for ranking on Google. SurferSEO combines AI writing with SEO optimization. It analyzes top-ranking articles and gives you real-time content recommendations to help your post rank higher. Common AI writing mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Copy-pasting AI content without editing. AI is great, but it's not perfect. Always edit and refine the content to match your voice and brand. Mistake number 2. Ignoring SEO optimization. Even with AI, you still need to add relevant keywords, internal links, and meta descriptions to make your content search-friendly. Mistake number 3. Relying too much on AI. AI should be a tool, not a crutch. Use it to assist your writing, not to replace your creativity and expertise. And there you have it. AI is changing the way we create content, making it faster, easier, and more effective than ever. Here's what to do next. Try one of the AI tools I mentioned today. Use AI to generate a blog post in minutes and see the results for yourself. Comment below which AI tool you're excited to try first. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Which AI tool are you excited to try first? Comment below.